Alright, so what we have here is one of the runners that was cut off from the bottom of the hole. And applied on here is a ABS glue, more like a slurry. It's simply acetone and ABS dissolved. It's been about 20 hours, fairly hard. Some of the thicker spots right here, it's still a little bit soft. But overall, what we were trying to see is if there was a good mechanical bond, which it looks like it is. You see it's seeped down a little bit into it. And right here, you can see, get the focus, there we go. Attached to both the, let's see, I can't peel that up. Attached to both ABS, or fused to it chemically, and bonded to the foam. So looks like we'll be taking off that center panel of the hull, doing a little bit of work to the foam, and then bonding the new panel directly to it. More to come.